Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Spaziale Dream machine. It was brought in. The customer had noticed there was a leak at the top of the boiler and a leak from the expansion valve. Also, he was requesting a tune-up. Thank you for bringing this machine in, Justin. And we addressed the leak on the boiler by replacing the heating element. That tightened everything up, and we put a new valve stopper in the expansion valve. That is supposed to leak slightly, however, and we did a group head cleaning, and we replaced the gasket there, and we did a flush and a back flush to get this machine up in working condition. So now let's draw a double shot. Have to use my thumb for some reason. There you have it. Lights off, drawn. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.